Today, we're delving into a timeless elixir that has been cherished for centuries for its remarkable health and beauty benefits. Apple cider vinegar, in a word ACV. But this isn't just about ACV. It's about the surprising ways you can enhance your beauty naturally. Let's embark on a journey through history, explore the science, and learn how to harness the power of ACV for your daily beauty routine. Historical roots. Imagine a world over 2,000 years ago, where the ancient Greek physician Hippocrates, the father of medicine, discovered a magical elixir known as ACV. He used it to treat various health conditions, setting the stage for its enduring legacy. ACV's rich history spans continents and generations, from ancient Egypt to Rome and beyond. It was considered a precious elixir and even traded as currency. Fast forward to today, and we're still captivated by ACV's remarkable properties. Here are some of the 20 beauty benefits of apple cider vinegar. Number 1. Skin toner. Our first beauty secret is an all-natural skin toner. To prepare it, combine equal parts of ACV and water. The mild acidity of ACV helps balance your skin's pH levels, making it a fantastic toner for all skin types. Apply this solution to your face using a cotton pad or ball. Gently sweep it across your skin, focusing on areas with enlarged pores or excessive oiliness. No need to rinse, let it air dry. You can incorporate this into your daily skincare routine to maintain a clear, glowing complexion. Number 2. Acne Fighter. Next up is ACV's prowess as an acne fighter. Dilute ACV with water in a 1:3 ratio, meaning 1 part ACV to 3 parts water. This gentle yet effective solution helps combat acne by reducing inflammation and killing acne-causing bacteria. Dip a cotton swab into the diluted mixture and apply it directly to blemishes or acne-prone areas. Leave it on for a few minutes or overnight, depending on your skin sensitivity. Rinse it off with water and moisturize. With regular use, you'll notice a reduction in redness and breakouts. Number 3. Skin brightener. Achieve a brighter complexion with ACV. Mix 1 part ACV with 3 parts water to create a gentle skin brightening solution. Apply it to your face using a cotton pad or ball, leaving it on for a few minutes before rinsing thoroughly with water. The natural acids in ACV help exfoliate dead skin cells, fade dark spots, and even out skin tone. Use this treatment a few times a week to reveal a radiant complexion. Number 4. Natural deodorant. Say goodbye to chemical-laden deodorants. ACV can serve as a natural deodorant. Apply a small amount of undiluted ACV to your underarms. As it dries, it will neutralize odor. The antibacterial properties in ACV keep body odor at bay. Feel fresh and confident throughout the day. Number 5. Sunburn Relief. After a day in the sun, ACV can come to your rescue for sunburn relief. Mix equal parts of ACV and water, soak a clean cloth or cotton ball in the solution, and gently dab it onto sunburned areas. The acetic acid in ACV helps soothe the burn and reduce inflammation. Let it air dry or rinse off gently after a few minutes. Repeat as needed for relief, and your skin will thank you for the care. Number 6. Hair shine and health. ACV can boost the health and shine of your hair. After shampooing, mix 1 to 2 tablespoons of ACV with a cup of water. Pour the mixture over your hair and scalp, making sure it covers all strands. Leave it on for a few minutes, allowing your hair to absorb the benefits. Rinse thoroughly with water. Incorporate this treatment into your hair care routine once a week for lustrous locks. Number 7. Hair conditioner. Using ACV as a conditioner is a game changer. Blend 1 part ACV with 1 part water in a container. After shampooing, pour the mixture over your hair, focusing on the ends. Let it sit for 2-3 minutes, then rinse thoroughly with water. This conditioner can be applied once or twice a week for smoother, more manageable hair. Number 8. Teeth whitener. ACV can naturally whiten teeth. Gargle with a mixture of 2 teaspoons of ACV and a glass of water for about 30 seconds. Rinse your mouth thoroughly with plain water afterward. Use this method sparingly to prevent enamel erosion, limiting it to a few times a week. Number 9. Nail strengthener. For stronger, healthier nails, soak them in a mixture of equal parts ACV and water. Submerge your nails for 10-15 minutes, then rinse and dry them thoroughly. This nail soak can be used several times a week to promote nail strength and resilience. Number 10. Cellulite Reduction. ACV's detoxifying properties make it a potential ally in reducing the appearance of cellulite. Mix 1 part ACV with 3 parts of a carrier oil like olive or coconut oil. Massage this blend onto cellulite-prone areas for about 15 minutes. Repeat this massage twice daily to potentially improve skin texture and reduce cellulite. Number 11. Foot odor remedy. Combat foot odor effectively with ACV. Create a foot soak by adding 1 cup of ACV to a basin filled with 4 to 5 cups of warm water. Soak your feet in this solution for 10 to 15 minutes. Afterward, wash your feet thoroughly with antibacterial soap and water. Use this treatment once daily for a few weeks to eliminate foot odor. Number 12. Weight loss and body toning. ACV may aid in weight loss and body toning. Mix 1 to 2 tablespoons of raw, unfiltered ACV and 1 teaspoon of honey in a glass of water. Consume this mixture twice a day on a regular basis. It may help your body regulate metabolic changes and promote weight loss. Number 13. Detoxifying Bath. For a full body detoxifying experience, add 1-2 cups of ACV to a warm bath. Soak for 20-30 minutes, allowing your skin to absorb the benefits. Rinse off with a refreshing shower after your bath. Number 14. Skin hydration and moisturization. ACV can help hydrate and moisturize your skin. Combine 1 tablespoon of ACV with a few drops of your favorite carrier oil, such as coconut or jojoba oil. Apply this mixture to your skin after showering or before bedtime. It will lock in moisture and keep your skin supple. Number 15. Razor bumps and ingrown hair remedy. ACV can soothe razor bumps and prevent ingrown hairs. After shaving, dab a small amount of undiluted ACV onto the shaved area. It will help calm irritated skin and reduce the risk of ingrown hairs. Number 16. Age spot fader. To fade age spots, mix 1 part ACV with 2 parts water. Apply this diluted solution to age spots using a cotton ball. Leave it on for a few minutes, then rinse. Regular use can help lighten these spots and even out your skin tone. Number 17. Makeup remover. ACV can serve as a gentle makeup remover. Mix 1 part ACV with 1 part water in a small container. Dip a cotton pad or ball into the mixture and use it to remove makeup, including stub and mascara. Rinse your face with water afterward for a clean, refreshed feel. Number 18. Scalp health and dandruff control. ACV can promote a healthy scalp and control dandruff. Mix equal parts ACV and water. After shampooing, apply the mixture to your scalp, gently massaging it in. Leave it on for a few minutes, then rinse thoroughly. Regular use can help balance scalp pH and reduce dandruff. Number 19. Skin detox mask. Create a detoxifying face mask with ACV. Mix equal parts ACV and bentonite clay to form a paste. Apply the mask to your face, avoiding the eye area. Allow it to dry for 10-15 minutes, then rinse with warm water. This mask can help draw out impurities and leave your skin refreshed. And the last one is Skin Irritation Soother. ACV can soothe skin irritations. Mix 1 part ACV with 4 parts water to create a diluted solution. Apply it to irritated or itchy skin using a cotton ball. This can provide relief from insect bites, rashes, and minor skin irritations. By incorporating these 20 surprising beauty benefits of apple cider vinegar into your daily routine, You can experience the natural and transformative power of this versatile elixir. Each beauty secret is backed by science and history, making ACV a timeless and trusted beauty ally. Thank you for joining us on this journey to discover the incredible world of ACV's beauty benefits. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family. Because everyone deserves to look and feel their best, naturally.